now live from a little girl's bedroom, in person for a personal concert, it's Dustin Beaver!
Swag. You guys want an autograph?
Yeah, me! Come on, over here! Okay, come on!
How much you gotta get, Dusty? I really do. Alright, dude, just come over here and let me sign your hand. Okay. No refunds. I don't even care about my fans. I do it for the money. Y'all girls ready for a concert?
Yeah! Woo!
Swaggy!
Woo!